Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a Coach bag. So I have loved Coach for a long time. Mainly I love the vintage Coach bags, and I really love the Coach Classics collection that they brought out back in, I think, like 2012 time period. So basically all of their like full leather classic styles. So those are the Coach bags that I really love. They're not carried in store currently, but I did see recently that they have this new line of bags, or I don't know if it's a new line, but they did come out with a couple of bags that very closely resemble the Coach Classic vintage Coach look. And one of those bags is the Coach Cassie bag, and that bag looks very similar to this bag, which is the Coach Court bag. This is a vintage style, and then they brought it back, like I said, back in like 2012. Now the reason why I'm creating this video is because I personally think this Coach Court bag looks better than the new Coach Cassie bag. But like I said, it does look very similar. It just looks like an updated version, like a more modern version of this bag. But the price is also extremely expensive, I feel like. I don't think I would pay more than like, you know, $150 for a Coach bag. And I'm sure that the quality of the new Cassie bag is nowhere near as nice as the vintage Coach bags. So long story short, I wanted to make this video to show you guys what the Coach Court bag looks like in case you've seen the new Coach bags and you're considering the Coach Cassie. This is a great option or a great alternative to the Coach Cassie bag. And in general, I just really love vintage Coach bags, and hopefully this video will inspire you guys to take a look at vintage Coach bags. So if you're interested in this bag or my thoughts on vintage Coach bags, then you're watching the right video. So the Court bag that I have here is in the color mahogany. It's like a dark brown, like a dark chocolatey brown. And the Court bag, I'm gonna give you guys the measurements right now, but this bag measures 9 inches in length, so 9 inches going this way, 3 inches in width, so the depth of the bag, and then 7.5 inches in height, so this way. So it's a pretty roomy bag. It's not super big, but it is a really good everyday size bag, and it's not too heavy, so that's really nice as well. So like I mentioned, this is the Coach Court bag. It is a vintage style. I don't know when it was first released, but I think probably somewhere in like the 1970s, 1980s. If I Google it online and I find the exact year, I'll put it somewhere like over here or over here. But it is part of their vintage Coach, you know, Coach Classics collection that they don't carry anymore. Like I also mentioned in the intro of this video, they did bring back a few Coach Classics for a brief period of time back around like 2012, and this Coach Court bag was part of that collection. So that's when I picked up mine. But you can find this style, this color, and a couple of other colors like online on secondhand markets. So eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, Mercari, Depop, any of those platforms, you can definitely find vintage Coach bags, and you can definitely find the Coach Court bag. When I bought this bag, I think it was around like $200, $250. I don't remember the exact price. But currently on the secondhand market, you can get this bag anywhere from about like $30 to, you know, $100, $125, just depending on the condition and the color. So you can definitely get a good price if you're willing to do a little bit of hunting. So this bag, just like the Coach Cassie bag, it has a top handle here, and it has like a little turn lock closure. I can't remember exactly if the Cassie bag has a turn lock closure. I just remember that it has like a C logo here, but I don't remember if there's a turn lock on the C, so that part's a little bit different. This bag has a strap as well, a shoulder strap, and the shoulder strap is adjustable. I think it comes with 5 holes, and if you need more holes, you can, you know, just punch them yourself. It's very easy. And then the shoulder straps are detachable, so you can, you know, just take them off the clip here, and then you can just use it as a top handle bag. The back has one pocket. It's like a little slip pocket. And then when you open the bag, there is another slip pocket here in front. And then the inside of the bag, it's unlined. And then you can see there's let me zip this up. There is a zip pocket on the inside right there. So there's a couple of pockets in here. I mean, most of the bag is just, you know, one like empty compartment and you just stick everything there, but I think it has a decent amount of pockets for, you know, what it is, for the size of the bag. And I usually like to just slip my phone in the back pocket, and it's pretty secure because it's like right up against you, but it's also very convenient to access. So I absolutely love the way this bag is structured. I love these like vintage classic Coach bags because the leather on these bags is just amazing. Like, I don't really know how to describe it. You really need to feel one of these vintage Coach bags for yourself. Now, this one I know is not vintage because I bought it in 2012, but the leather feels almost the same. I do have a lot of vintage Coach bags that I purchased off, you know, these secondhand markets. And the leather is seriously amazing. Like, I have a couple of bags from the 1970s, so they're what, like 50 years old now. 40, 50 years old, and the condition is amazing. The leather is amazing. The bag has kept its shape. These bags are just really sturdy and really amazing. So I think that's why a lot of people like vintage Coach, just because the quality is so good. If you guys want to see a video of my vintage Coach collection, leave me a comment below and let me know, and I'd be more than happy to make a video for you guys. So I haven't actually been into a Coach store to see or feel the Cassie bag in person, so I can't really comment on the quality or the you know, like feel of the leather on the Cassie bag. So I don't really know how it compares to this one, but I have a feeling that it's not going to be as nice as the vintage the leather on the vintage Coach bags. I do have the same bag, not this one, but there's another vintage Coach bag called the basic bag. I have that one in both a like 1970s produced version as well as the 2012 reissue. And the leather on the vintage one that I have is so much better than the 2012 reissue. So you know, my guess is that if the leather for the reissue was worse than the leather on the actual one, then for the Cassie bag, which is not a reissue, but just like a different bag that looks like this one, my guess is that the leather on the Cassie bag is not going to be as nice as the leather on these vintage court bags. So you know, before you run out and go and get the Coach Cassie bag, I would highly recommend you check out the Coach court bag. If you want to find something that's relatively new and doesn't look too vintage, you might have to pay a little bit more on the secondhand market, but you can definitely find it. And you know, if you're not sure, I would say there are some sellers on eBay who do take returns. You can also ask your seller on Poshmark or wherever it is you're buying the bag, whether or not the seller would be willing to take a return if you get the bag and you decide that you don't really like it. But honestly, I don't know anyone who has this vintage Coach court bag and dislikes it. So I'm pretty sure if you purchase it, you're going to love it. Alright guys, so now that I've given you a rundown on this bag, I'm going to show you guys very quickly what fits inside so that you have an idea of how big this bag is and how much fits inside. Okay, so I've stuffed this bag and then I'm just going to take everything out so that you guys can see what I have in here and how much will fit. So when you open it up like this, the first thing that I have in here is a little like pouch. And then this pouch is, you know, pretty thick. I have like a battery charger in here and then some cosmetics. And then I also have my wallet. So this is not a full-length checkbook wallet, but it's like, I would say it's about maybe an inch shorter than a checkbook wallet. But this fits, and I'm looking at this and I feel like a checkbook wallet would fit in here. And then I also have a reusable bag in here, and then I did have my phone in here as well, and you can also fit sunglasses in here in addition to everything that I had. So let me just put everything back because that probably didn't give you guys a really clear view of what was inside. But I'm just gonna put everything back so that you guys can see. So first I'll put in the little pouch. Okay, and then next we have the wallet. And then I'm gonna put my phone in. And then the bag, the reusable bag, and then I think you could fit like another like sunglass case up here at the top, and then you can fill in the little spaces with like cosmetics or, you know, chapstick, whatever it is that you might have, keys, and it fits like no problem closing it at all. So definitely a pretty roomy bag. Alright, so now I'm going to quickly insert a clip to show you guys where the bag falls on me and what it looks like. That way you guys can get an idea of what the bag actually looks like on. So for reference, I'm 5'2" and I have the bag on the shortest strap length. It is on the 5th hole, and you can see that it falls a little bit below my natural waistline, so it hits me right at the hip. I think it looks really great worn as a shoulder bag, and I personally really love the little handle, the little top handle, and I wish mine would stick out a little bit, but I don't usually use the top handle, so as you can see, the top handle on my bag is flat, but I love the look of it when it's just slightly pulled out. I think this bag also looks really great worn crossbody, and I think it could be just a tad shorter, but I don't mind where it hits on me. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. I post videos every week about fashion, life, and luxury. I'm going to be starting a new type of video on my channel, which is going to be all about just sustainable living and minimalism. So if you're interested in that, definitely make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I will have this bag linked down below. I'll also link a couple of different platforms where you can find this vintage bag if you're interested. I will also link my blog and my Instagram. I do post my outfits of the day on Instagram, so if you want to see what I wear on a day-to-day basis, definitely head over to my Instagram. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know whether or not you want to see my entire vintage Coach collection. Okay guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!